Please check out Raymack's Kitchen and Grill on YouTube and subscribe now. Raymack, what are we cooking up for dinner today?
The best pan-fried sausage and cabbage recipe. Clean your cabbage and cut into thin slices or chunks. Slice bacon and sausages into quarter-sized pieces. Heat a cast iron pot or skillet over medium-high heat. Add a small amount of oil if needed. Cook sausages until they brown and set aside. Cook bacon until it crisps and set aside. Add cabbage to the pot or skillet. Add all seasonings listed above and mix well. Please cook for 10 minutes and stir constantly so your cabbage will not burn at the bottom. Add sausages and bacon to the skillet or pot. Mix well. Cook for 5 minutes or until cabbage is tender. Serve while hot and enjoy. Share this recipe using the hashtag Raymackstyle.